Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Abigail Ifoma. If you're new here or you're just seeing my video for the first time, welcome and thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. Yes, this video is a very easy step-by-step how you can make your laundry bar soap. I'll be showing you from the beginning to the end so you can make yours at home. So all you need to do is to watch the video from the beginning to the end so you can learn from it and know how you can make yours. It's so foamy and shiny, yes, and it lasts longer. This is a strong bar soap, so I hope you watch and learn so you can make yours. Yeah. So the first thing you'll be needing is your palm kernel oil, and this tutorial we are not going to be using too much ingredients. Yes, the things we are going to be putting here is what you can see inside your kitchen. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and use your palm kernel oil. So here I'm measuring my palm kernel oil and I have 354 grams of palm kernel oil. So I'll go ahead and put 2 tablespoons of salt inside the palm kernel oil. Yes, this is palm oil, the non-bleached one. That's the red palm oil we see inside our kitchen as well. I'm going to be putting 2 spoons of it inside the same oil. So after doing that, I'll go ahead and give it a mix. And here is the 2 colors I'm going to be using. Sometimes most of you guys ask me what color is that. This is the color I use in making my liquid soap because it has this shiny texture in it, and I got it from Amazon. It's a different set of colors. Yeah, so I'll just go ahead and mix it because I'm putting 2 colors in it. I'll go ahead and mix it inside the oil and then just give it a stir. At this point it's already thickened because of the salt inside. Yes, you want to know why I added salt. Salt makes the bar soap very strong, and apart from strong, you know, since I'm using only caustic soda to make this production, caustic soda takes a lot of time for it to cure, but this salt makes it very easy. It cures faster. So as it is, you can start making, you can produce a soap today and start making it the next day. When you add salt, it kills the hotness of the caustic soda and it still make it very foam and hard. Yes, so that's why I added my salt. So I already mixed my caustic soda with water and allow it cool down completely. Yes, this I already did that last night, and then here is me. I poured it inside the oil and I poured about 300 grams of lye solution inside, and then I just continue mixing. I'm not using electric mixer. In case if you don't have, then you can still achieve this beautiful bar soap. So after mixing it properly, I will just go ahead and add a little bit of fragrance. I'll be using about just 1 spoon of it, just a little. Yes, I'll go ahead and mix it inside and then keep mixing it together. At this point, I already mix it properly. The next thing I want to do is to get my mold. I will just get my mold and then pour in my soap inside the mold. Of course, after pouring it like this, I'm not going to leave it the way you're seeing it. I'm just going to use my stick to give it this, make it look level. So after that, I'll let it sit and dry. Guys, because of the salt I added, like I said, it makes the soap hard, adding fast. So I'm just going to leave it and let it sit for like 6 hours and come back to show you guys what it's looking like. So guys, this was after 6 hours of making that soap, and here is what we have. This soap was given 10/10 minus nothing. Yes, it's shiny. I don't know if you guys can really see this soap, but trust me, it was really shiny. Like, it was shining, it's strong, and then it's the bubbles that came out of this soap was top notch. Yes, it was really, 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 really for me. Yeah, and this is what we have. Yeah, after molding, after making our production, this is what you have. So just notice, if you want same results, just follow the step-by-step method on how I make mine. You will definitely get the results you want. Yes, I'm having this online free class where you get to ask me, like maybe you watched my video and then you don't understand some part of it and you want to um ask some question, or you're making your own soap and it's not coming out the way you want. Maybe you're doing something different and you want to ask. The link will be at the description box to join this Telegram group. Just join and then ask me whatever question you have in mind you want to ask me. If you're planning on going into soap production, like for selling, how you can make profits, yes, that group is for you. Just click the link on the description box. It will take you straight to my Telegram group. Join, and then I'll welcome you guys specially. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below. If you comment, if you like and you share, YouTube is going to recommend more people to watch, and I hope you guys do that for me. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye, and thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.